You absolutely have got to love it when we see small boats come rolling through Haulover Inlet trying to battle the beast. Welcome back, guys, to this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And we've got an interesting one today, as it's a little rough down here, and it's going to be interesting to see how our captains fare as they step in the ring and try and do battle with the inlet. But let's go ahead and move into round one, and the only thing we like seeing better than small boats come through Haulover, well, that's them pontoon boys. When they decide they're going to show up, things turn out at Haulover Inlet. Our crew here actually looks pretty solid. It's a little bit of a rough day, but our guy got it up on plane, blasted straight out the inlet, and our pontoon boys, by surprise, will somehow take a win for the boats here in the first round. But that's just the start of our event. What goes out must come back in, and here comes them pontoon boys making their way back toward Haulover here in round two. And oh no! They've stuffed it! They've stuffed it solid, and our guy's still got the power on, pushing it further down. And some of the crews moved to the back. He's going to get everybody out of the bow and move to the back of the boat, though. But the rest of our crew in the bow has no interest in doing anything. They're just going to sit up there and keep this thing swamped down. So Cap's trying to get it turned around and trying to get it worked out where he can get this thing going. He really needs to get it back up on plane. Let the water just kind of wash off of this one and see if he can pull it back out. Now, he's moved everybody to the back of the vessel, which is probably not going to help a ton as he tries to get it back on plane. The boat's just too underpowered for that, but he's going to move them up front quickly, hope to get it on plane and get them to come right immediately back. But the damage is done. They stuff the bow, and they will take a loss for the boat here in the second round. So then pontoon boys go 1-1, leaving us at a tie as we move into the third round. Let's see how our third round captain fares as we got a 27-foot concept making its way out of Haulover. Now in this situation, we do have a few things going on here. It appears there's some kids in the bow of the boat, but Dad's doing a very good job covering them up. I can't see if they have life jackets on. It doesn't appear that they do, but I can't hold it against them because I just can't tell, so I can't disqualify them right off the bat for that. But they continue to make their way out, and let's see how they fare as they do just going out the inlet. And they're taking some heavy smacks, and this crew in the bow of the boat is actually taking a pretty rough ride. They're getting a pretty good beating, but so far they look okay. But hold on, wait! Mom's tapping out! She's tapping out! Haulover's hit her so hard. She's decided she wants nothing to do with it, taps out, moves to the back of the boat, and unfortunately for this crew, they're going to take a loss for the boats in the third round, and this is going to give Haulover Inlet the 2-1 edge as we move into the fourth round, and this doesn't look good. This pro line's making their way into the inlet. I don't really recommend sitting where this gentleman's sitting. I mean, I guess the mat would give you some cushion to help soften the blows a little bit, but I mean, it's almost like our Haulover Cowboys we see, but my man's going to hang on, and they're going to make it into the inlet without issue, and I guess I'm going to have to give the boats a win on this one. And that'll take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And it's going to be Haulover. I mean, this crew stuffs it right up front, and they just continue to stuff it, but that's what happens when you load the bow up with people trying to come through Haulover. Now, I'll admit this crew looks like they're out there trying to have a good time, but we don't discriminate here, only a few rules. If you stuff the bow or come through with kids without life jackets on, you take the loss, and that means this crew takes the loss, and Haulover takes the win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens in the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.